to my YouTube channel. Masa Selka is my name if you're new here. I do all things lifestyle, beauty and fashion. Feel free to subscribe and become part of my family. Would really love to have you. In fact, I know you're just about to hit that subscribe button, so welcome. If you're returning to the hides, or how you doing? I've set up my tripod on my bed. Risky. As you've seen from the title, the class is now in session. Ladies and gentlemen, about a year ago, I started my YouTube journey. I decided that I, Masa Selka, will be the face of Masa Selka Diaries. So today I just want to share with you guys how to get paid to be delusional. I just came across some video of some girl saying, well, you're practically getting paid to be delusional, so it's not so bad. And I just want to tell you, yes, it's not bad, because after all, you're just talking to your camera and you just set up your video so people can find it. Heck, you can even just post it without even trying to do too much to it, and I promise you somebody will find it and somebody will watch it. And if you accumulate enough watch hours and subscribers, YouTube will pay you. I want to believe that normally if somebody is looking at videos on how much somebody paid, they are looking to find out if they also stand a chance and what they can do to also get paid, right? So I'll just take you briefly through my story. I started last year around March, and a year later I am monetized. Now, what does it take for you to get monetized? First and foremost, you need to be having 1,000 subscribers, and you also need 4,000 watch hours. Now there's also this other one where YouTube allows you to get paid by your own subscribers. I've received money from someone. There's actually multiple ways to get paid while you're working on YouTube. One, you can get brand deals, they can pay you. Two, you can when you've reached 1,000 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours, your own subscribers can give you money, right? I've received that. And there is the one that we commonly know, which is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which is the one that we know, where now you Google AdSense gets to air their ads on your videos, and that's how you get paid, which is normally the one that we discuss when we're making these kind of videos. But like I said, there's also those other ones that you can use and still get paid even before you reach the 4,000 hours and the 1,000 subscribers. Now, for you to get monetized, there's a need for you to be in an eligible country. So I'm not in an eligible country, but I do make content, and yes, I'm getting paid. If you want to know more on how I managed to do all of this, I have a video on that. I'll just take it here, so watch my video, and if you have questions, feel free to comment on the video and let me know if maybe you want me to be a bit more detailed. But I promise you, everything you need to know on how to get monetized if you're in an ineligible country, it's in there. Alright, so once you have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you need to apply. Alright, they're gonna alert you that you reached this target, but you need to then say you're applying. They send you an email congratulating you. They say unto you, well, now you can apply, and then you go on ahead and you do that. So then they are gonna be, you have to have a Google AdSense account, where that's where they're gonna be communicating with you, and that's where you get paid as well. Not necessarily get paid, but like you're gonna see how much you're getting paid and stuff on that Google AdSense account, right? So there's 3 verification processes. They're gonna try and verify your identity. They're gonna try and verify, they need you to have a text number in there, so they're gonna be verifying your address, right? And then they're also gonna verify your banking details. So all of this needs to be in the same names. Like I said, to more details are actually on my other video. You can just, you know, just try watch it from here. Right here, I'm promising you it's possible. There you're going to confirm, so you know what to do when you get started. We good? There's a threshold at which these things happen. It doesn't happen at a go. Forgot specifics, but I remember at around $10 is where they start looking for your identity and your address and then when you reach $100, they look for your banking details. Yeah, they do your banking verification, right? So that they can then process your payment. So I get paid in euros. So before I get to the part where I tell you guys how much I got paid, I just want to share a couple of things that I noticed with the whole thing. One, if the videos that helped you to get to 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers are not the that amount that's already accumulated. It doesn't count. Like they're not gonna pay you for that. No, it was before you were monetized. I think for the videos that were getting ad there, it's probably YouTube getting that money. I don't know, but you don't. So you get to be paid from the time you are monetized, and then that's why most of the time you'll find that somebody would be having, like, probably their money will be little, even if they probably have a video that went viral. So you get paid from that time based on the accumulated views. Views are the ones that gets you paid. Even if you just strictly have 1,000 subscribers, but you have a lot of views, you still get paid based on those views. The other thing that is really important for me to mention is, guys, please watch the ads. Please don't skip them. I know there's like skippable ads, but that's literally how we get paid. And to those that watch my videos because you love your try-on hauls, I may have mentioned in another video, or did I not? But the clothes are coming, and I am gonna make the video. I know most of my services I got sure because you all loved those, and I make sure to at least include 1 or 2 a month. But right now I'm having issues with the Textman, which is why it's taking forever for me to make a try-on haul. But if the items are not here this coming week, I'm just gonna go out and look for some very nice finds in local stores, and so I can do a try-on haul because I enjoy those as well. So there's something called super thanks and super chats and all of that, and you also have an option of doing memberships. I'm still trying to figure out what to offer on the membership part of things. So once I have, I'll be telling you guys, my membership, and then you subscribe for those memberships. It's your customers paying you, right? I don't have that yet. The only type of money I received is super thanks, and then it's also the Google AdSense, which is why I'm encouraging you guys to watch the ads. I'm encouraging you guys to watch the ads. So the super thanks, it appears it's also available in certain countries and also not available in other countries. What I would advise to anybody who is interested in starting, remember, you're just getting paid to be delusional. You just sit in front of your camera, you say whatever, you do whatever, you pick something that will be interesting for you, and also something somebody might actually be interested in learning about. Okay, somebody may be interested in watching, because at the end of the day, even if you created content, what matters is views, remember. So those people need to actually watch that, so you need to give them something to watch. You need to be consistent, and the consistency part, it helps with you getting subscribers, getting views. Somehow what I've come to notice is, unless you have a lot of subscribers, if you post then disappear and then you come back again, it's like your people have forgotten who you are. Imagine. And they don't even watch your stuff like that. I don't know. I'm low-key blaming YouTube. And also once you sorted, learn about, don't sleep on watching videos of people who actually share how you can get more views for your videos. A lot of those people have helped me with most of my videos. Some years they're not performing well because you'll find that it's a kind of content that's for specific people. But I'm learning how to rank a bit higher so that if somebody's looking for such content, then I can also be someone whom, yeah. So to keep this brief, I'm gonna take you through how much I got paid. So I've only earned once. YouTube Google AdSense waits until you've accumulated at least 100 USD, which translates to 70 euros. So I get paid only after I've, so right now I'm not there yet, so which means I have to wait until I'm 70 and over. So they pay once a month, every 21st of the month they pay. Like I said, I've only been paid once, and they paid me 95 euros. Like I said, the money starts from when you have since been monetized, which means I think that money is probably for 3 months. Yes, because the funny thing is, right after I was monetized, for some reason I wasn't making videos. Like I've been experiencing, I had some hectic, I have a day job, so I get like gets hectic there, and then it compromises this, and so I'm learning how to balance them, because when it gets hectic that side, I kind of, you know, this one gets left in the dark a little bit. For me, I was like, that is nice. That means if I could balance the two, then a girl could be soft lifing properly, you know, she could be living a soft life. So what did I do with the money? I bought myself a vlogging kit. You may have seen another video where I was unboxing it, and I also took my best friend out. Just a little celebratory dinner. So yeah, and the rest of the money is still available. It's not a lot of money, but I'm not kind of person that squanders money, so that's why I still have a bit of it. This month I didn't earn. Hopefully if I could get my hands on clothes to do a try on haul, I know for sure, okay, I know, you know, once you start your YouTube channel, you're gonna notice where your traffic normally goes, and I'm still learning how to, you know, optimize other videos so that they also bring in traffic, because at the end of the day I've put my work and soul into all of this, my everything into all the other videos, so they also need to give back, you know what I'm saying? That's basically it, you guys. Let me not make this a video too long. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or something you feel I may have skipped, yeah, 95 euros might sound like less for money, but I promise you guys, as far as my currency is concerned, that is money that can do so much. And I'm grateful. It's the beginning, and to me, it just proved to me that it's doable. I'm still trying to figure out how to actually not have to be receiving the money through somebody else, and once I figured out how to do that, for now that is the one that's working, and once I figured out how to have it come directly to me, then that's what we're gonna do. So give it a try if you want. If you already have one, keep going. This is literally the moment where we say consistency is key, because that's how you keep them views coming and keep them people glued to the screen and watching the ads. And once again, please do not skip any ads that you come across, and feel free to watch my old videos. I promise you my town halls are worth watching. Okay, thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like and to subscribe, and to let me know if you started your YouTube channel, or if you are to start, you know, if any tip may have helped you. Thank you all so much. Until we meet again, subscribe so you don't miss more amazing content. Bye.